Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to NutriBullet time, and today we are unboxing this right here. It's called the Blendjet. I paid like $39.98 for this, or $40 for this off their website. It was a very cheap amount of money that I paid for this. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this now. Let's go ahead and get into it. So it comes just like this. I haven't opened it yet. I've been saving to open it up with you guys. It took about a week for it to get here. It came from California. So this is what the box looks like. Alright, there's no tape or anything. It just opens right up. Pull this out. Got the blender itself in this little plastic bag. It can come right out. The only other thing in this box is a USB power cord. There's a micro USB on one end, traditional USB on the other end. Very versatile in this day and age. Pretty neat. We got this little cap. It's like a two-part cap. It's for protecting you against whatever, big chunks, pulp, I don't know. Comes with this little thing here, little tips right here. That was inside of this thing. As you can see, the blade is, it's similar to a NutriBullet blade actually. It's got two big prongs up, two little prongs up, and then two prongs facing down. It's got a little, it's got a little button on the front. And as you can see, it came somewhat charged because I just turned it on. Interesting. It's very quiet. There's where the USB plugs in right there. That, I'm guessing that's the little light right there. It's got three little rubber things on the bottom. These rubber things are inset, so they're not like sticking out like where like after a while they're gonna fall off. These are actually, if you guys can see that, they're actually in there. So, I'm impressed. Pretty nice little build here. This looks like it's going to last a little while. We're going to find out, man, because we're going to be beating the hell out of this thing over the next month. Anyways, let me give you guys a shot of everything in this box. Okay, guys, so there's the box it came in. Here's the base apparatus. This piece right here, this picture, it does not come off of this base. It's not meant to come off of here. If you want to clean this, you put a little drop of dish soap in there and some water in there and you rinse it out. That's how you're supposed to clean it. So there's everything it comes with, guys. Not a whole lot. Get this little strainer. So the cap is kind of a two-piece thing. It's got this little rubber cord on it. That is made out of rubber, guys. And then this right here is not a book. It's like a little piece of paper. Blendjet One tips on the back, and then it's got something about, it's a little letter talking about welcome to the Blendjet family, and that's essentially it, guys. Very bare bones package for a very bare bones price, and that's what you get. And we'll know more about it once I beat the hell out of this thing for a month or so. But you guys can come along with me on that journey. We're gonna see if this thing can crush ice. We're gonna see if it can make a good smoothie. We're gonna see what all this thing can do. So yeah, let's do it.